Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change screen display mode between light and dark, and you can also schedule the dark mode. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then you can enable or disable high brightness mode, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, change screen refresh rate between 120 Hz and 60 Hz or auto switch refresh rate. Next, you can enable or disable iCar, and you can also adjust it. Then you can change color style between bright colored, original color, and you can adjust color temperature. Next, you can manage ultra touch for swipe speed between normal, fast, ultra fast, motion speed between normal and fast, and then you can change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, and next you can manage lock screen. For example, you can change lock screen notifications display between show notification content, show notification by but hide content, and don't show notifications at all. You can add text on lock screen, show wallet, or manage lock screen overlay. In the end, you can enable or disable internet speed indicator, battery percentage indicator, and notification icon in status bar. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.